Okay, friends and family, we're back. So, we just looked at the interview part, okay? And I gave you some tips, I gave you some strategies, okay? So, now what you see in front of you, here are some common part one questions divided into different topics, categories. Okay, so some typical opening questions could be what's your name, where are you from? Then we can move on to different topics like work and study, personal background, travel holidays, good health, fitness, sport, clothes, fashion, environment. Okay, so now let's look at a few of these questions. Okay, so a typical question could be, for example, opening questions. Okay, what's your name? So that's a simple one. No, my name is Jan. Okay, or why not? What's your name? Okay, well, I'm Jan, but my friends call me JJ. Why not? There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so now, what do you like about living in Donosti? Number 3. What do you like about living in Donosti? Okay, well, one of the best aspects of living in Donosti is that it's a coastal city. It's full of tourism, and there's always plenty to do. Enough. Okay, that's a good length. Okay, if you want, you can say a little bit more, but no need to do that. Okay, so number 4. How long have you been studying English? Stop. What am I looking for? How long have you been studying English? Yes. Okay, I want the present perfect continuous. Okay, or the present perfect. Okay, present perfect continuous would be better. So, I have been studying English for as long as I can remember. And who knows, maybe one day I won't be studying anymore. Okay, so it's a good length of an answer as well. Okay, so now let's move on to, for example, a different topic. Okay, so look at 10. Would you like to do the same job forever? Okay, think. No, don't spend time to think, but understand that I don't want only the present simple. Please give me something more than that. That is why I'm asking you this specific question. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you that question again, and I want you sitting right there to use your mouth and speak. Answer this question. Real life. Here we go. Would you like to do the same job forever? Good. Okay. All righty then. I hope you answered. If you're not answering, you have to answer. You are here because you want to pass the test. Okay. So work with me. We have to work together here. Okay. So now let's look at this one: entertainment, reading, movies, going out, etc. 10. Do you prefer to read a book or to watch a movie? Okay. Well, um, I I'm keen on. I would much rather spend my time reading a book or a novel because I find it to be much more productive than watching a movie, for example. Okay, so if you're given two options, try to contrast. I used much rather to give contrast. Okay, so now, good. So here you've got lots of practice questions. So what are you going to do now? You're going to look at them. This is what you should do. If you're serious and you want to pass this exam, this is what you're going to do. Okay? You're going to look at this question and you're going to answer it. You're going to record yourself. You're going to listen to that recording. You're going to forget that it's you speaking in that recording. You're going to listen to the English. You're going to listen to the tenses. And you are going to analyze the English. Don't analyze yourself. Analyze the English you are using. Okay, so and then improve. Try to incorporate different tenses if you can. Okay, so you've got plenty of questions here to practice with. Record, listen, improve. That's the way we can do it. All right, so we're going to move on to the next section now. Hope you're ready. Here we go.